Hello students, welcome all of you. In last lecture, we have studied the resistance, which is nothing but the opposition to flow of electron. The resistance having electrical symbol is like this, denoted by capital R. The SI unit for resistor is ohm, denoted by this symbol. We have studied the 1 ohm resistor. Now, we are going to study the applications, how the resistor is used in electronic circuit. जब हम कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट देखते हैं तो उसमें उसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट होता है और उस सर्किट में नंबर ऑफ रजिस्टर्स यूज किए जाते हैं, नंबर ऑफ रजिस्टर्स कनेक्ट किए जाते हैं. नाउ अगर हम एक रजिस्टर कंसिडर करते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू, हर एक रजिस्टर की वैल्यू फिक्स होती है. Now, the value of that register is depends on the color coding और color rings present on that register. अगर हम एक रजिस्टर कंसिडर करते हैं तो उस पर नंबर ऑफ कलर रिंग्स होती है और उस कलर रिंग से उस रजिस्टर की वैल्यू डिफाइन की जाती है. बट जब इंडस्ट्रीज वाले रजिस्टर तैयार करते हैं लाइक 10 ओम रजिस्टर, 20 ओम रजिस्टर, 30 ओम रजिस्टर, 30 ओम का रजिस्टर होता है, 40 ओम का रजिस्टर होता है. बट इन सम केसेस वी नीड 15 ओम रजिस्टर. हमें 15 ओम का रजिस्टर चाहिए होता है, 5 ओम का रजिस्टर चाहिए होता है, 25 ओम का रजिस्टर चाहिए होता है. तो इस केस में हमें उस वैल्यू का रेजिस्टेंस मार्केट में डायरेक्टली रेडीमेड अवेलेबल नहीं मिलता है. उस टाइम पे हमें क्या करना पड़ता है कि दो और ज्यादा रजिस्टर को कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है, कॉम्बिनेशन करना पड़ता है उनका. वो दो रजिस्टर का कॉम्बिनेशन और दो और ज्यादा रजिस्टर का कॉम्बिनेशन हमें वहां पे यूज करना पड़ता है. So, today we are going to study the combination of resistors, how the resistors are connected. Now, there are two types of combinations which are used in electronic circuit. First is a series combination, and second is a parallel combination. In series combination, the resistors are connected such that one end of first resistor is connected to the other end of next resistor and so on, like this. Here is the first resistor. Now this end of first resistor is connected to the next resistor and so on. This is first resistance R1 and this is second resistance R1. Now this type of combination is nothing but the series combination of resistors. And दूसरा जो टाइप होता है वो है पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशंस द रजिस्टर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सच अ वे दैट द एंड्स ऑफ रजिस्टर्स आर कनेक्टेड बिटवीन टू फिक्स्ड टर्मिनल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू कंसिडर टू रजिस्टर, दिस इज अ फर्स्ट रजिस्टर R1 and this second register R2, R3. Number of resistors R1, R2, R3. In this case, the one end of all resistors are connected together to a fixed point A, while the other ends are connected together to a fixed point B. Now, this type of combination is called as parallel combination of resistors. Now, today we are going to calculate the effective resistance in series combination and effective resistance in parallel combination. कौन सी केस में हमें रजिस्टर सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करने चाहिए, कौन सी केस में हमें रजिस्टर पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करने चाहिए. अगर हम रजिस्टर सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करते तो उसका इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है, अगर हम रजिस्टर को पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करते तो उसका इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है. नाउ लेट्स कंसीडर द फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन, दैट इज सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. Let's consider the series combination of resistors. हमने देखा कि series combination में हम कैसे resistors कनेक्ट करते हैं. Here, let's consider the 3 resistors or 2 resistors R1 and R2 are connected in series combination. Now, when we connect the resistors in series combination, then the effective resistance in series combination is nothing but the sum of the, let's consider the series combination of resistors. हमने देखा कि सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में हम कैसे रेजिस्टर्स कनेक्ट करते हैं. हियर लेट कंसीडर द थ्री रेजिस्टर्स और टू रेजिस्टर्स R1 and R2 are connected in series combination. Now when we connect the resistors in series combination, then the effective resistance in series combination is nothing but the sum of the resistance of each individual resistance connected in series combination. अगर हम दो और दो से ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करते हैं तो इफेक्टिव टोटल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा हमारा, उन सब की हमें क्या करनी है, सम करनी है. जो जो रेजिस्टेंस हमने सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट किया है उन सब की हमें क्या करनी है, एडिशन करनी है. Now we are going to find out the formula for the series effective resistance in series combination. For that, let's consider two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in series combination across a battery of potential capital V. Like this is the positive terminal of battery and this is the negative terminal of battery. Now when these resistors are connected in series combination across the battery, this potential difference or this voltage supplies a current which flows through these two resistors. Now let capital I is the current flowing through this circuit. Now the total current is capital I which is flows through resistance R1 as well as R2. यहाँ पे जो total current होगा हमारा capital I, that current flows through resistance R1 as well as R2. वही करंट R1 में से फ्लो होगा, वही करंट R2 में से फ्लो होगा and to the negative terminal of battery. But in series combination, the potential difference across each resistance is different. Here V1 is the potential difference across the resistance R1 and V2 is the potential difference across the resistance R2. R1 के अक्रॉस हमारा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या है और वोल्टेज क्या है V1. R2 के अक्रॉस हमारा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या है, वोल्टेज. नाउ हियर द बेसिक टू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट, यहाँ पे जो करंट फ्लो होने वाला है वो करंट हर एक रेजिस्टेंस में से जाने वाला करंट क्या रहने वाला है, सेम. द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू ईच रेजिस्टेंस विल बी सेम, बट द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस ईच रेजिस्टेंस इज डिफरेंट एंड the sum of the potential difference across each resistance is equal to the total resistance of this battery. Therefore, from the second condition, we can write the total potential difference across battery V is equal to potential drop across resistance R1 plus potential drop across resistance R2. V1 plus V2. But according to Ohm's law, we know that. What is the Ohm's law? When we apply Ohm's law to this total potential difference capital V, the current flowing through circuit is directly proportional to the applied voltage, or voltage is directly proportional to the current. Therefore, we can write V is equal to I into R, where V is the potential drop across the circuit, I is the current flowing through circuit, and capital R is the total resistance of the circuit. Now, using the Ohm's law for this total circuit, we can write V is equal to I into R. Similarly, by using Ohm's law to this resistance R1 only, here capital R is the total resistance of circuit, capital V is the total potential of this circuit, capital I is the total current flowing through circuit. Now we can use Ohm's law similarly to only this resistance R1. When we use the Ohm's law to this resistance R1, we can write the potential drop across this resistance R1 is nothing but V1. Therefore, we can write V1 is equal to potential drop across resistance R1 is equal to current flowing through resistance R1 multiplied by resistance R1. Therefore, what is the current flowing through resistance R1? यहाँ पे R1 में से कितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, वही करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, टोटल I. Therefore, we can write V1 is equal to I into R1. And for the second resistance, we can write potential drop across second resistance V2 is equal to current flowing through this resistance I into resistance, value of resistance of this resistor capital R2. This equation first, equation second, equation third. Now we can put these values of capital V, capital V1 and V2 in this equation. Therefore, put these values in above equation. We get capital V is nothing but I into R. I into R is equal to, what is V1? I into R1. I into R1 plus, what is V2? I into R2. I into R. Therefore, now I into R is equal to, let's consider I as a common in these two terms. Therefore, if you consider I as a common, we can write in bracket R1 plus R2. Now, this I get cancelled on both sides of equation. Therefore, finally, we can write capital R is equal to R1 plus R2. This is the required equation for the resultant resistance in series combination. The resultant resistance of series combination is equal to sum of individual resistance connected in the series combination. Here we have considered only two resistors, R1 and R2. Therefore, the total resistance of this R1 and R2 when connected in series combination is equal to sum of this value of resistance of these two resistors. Now, if we consider the 3 or 4 resistors or number of resistors, if we consider 3 resistors, then we can write the total resistance in series combination capital R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R. Now, if we have number of resistors connected in series combination, अगर हमारे पास 4, 5, 6, 7 resistors है और उसे हमें series combination में connect करना है, then in that case the total resistance will be, if we consider n number of resistors, then total resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dash 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 plus Rn. Let's consider the resistances are connected in parallel combination, and what will be the total resistance when the resistances are connected in parallel combination. For that, let's consider the two resistances R1 and R2. R1 and R2 which are connected in parallel combination. Across a battery of potential difference capital V. Right. This is the positive and negative terminal of battery. Now, this battery supplies a current capital I, which is the total current flowing through the circuit. Now, at this point capital A, this total current get divided into two. Here, the small I1 is the current flowing through resistance R1, while the I2 is the current flowing through resistance R2. Now, at this point capital E, these two currents I1 and I2 get combined with each other to form the total current. Here is the current I1 and here is the current I2. यहाँ पे point B पे क्या होगा? This current I1 and I2 get combined with each other to form the total current capital I. Now, here the potential difference. In this case, the two important points are the current flowing through each resistance will be different, and the sum of the current flowing through resistance R1 and R2 is equal to the total current flowing through this circuit. Therefore, from the first case, we can write the total current capital I flowing through this circuit is equal to the sum of the current flowing through resistance R1 and R2. Therefore, we can write the current flowing through resistance R1 is I1 plus the current flowing through resistance R2 is I2. But the potential difference across this R1 is nothing but the total potential difference V. अगर हम R1 के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेजर करेंगे तो हम कहाँ पे मेजर करेंगे? हम यहाँ पे मेजर कर सकते हैं और यहाँ पे A और B पॉइंट पे मेजर कर सकते हैं. बट वही पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होगा? वही पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस किसके अक्रॉस होगा? R2 के अक्रॉस होगा, और वही which is nothing but the potential difference across the battery. मतलब इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन the potential drop across R1 is equal to potential drop across resistance R2 is equal to the total potential of the battery. Therefore, now here again we are going to apply the Ohm's law for the total circuit, then resistance for the resistance R1 and then for the resistance R2. Now by using Ohm's law, we can write what we can write for the total circuit. We can write the total potential difference V is equal to the total current flowing through circuit is nothing but the capital I multiplied by total resistance of the circuit. Let's consider the total resistance is capital R. Therefore, we can write V is equal to I into R. From this equation, we can write capital I is equal to here resistance in this side multiplied to the current capital I. On this side, it becomes divided by capital V. Therefore, we can write total current capital I is equal to V divided by R. It consider this equation number first. Similarly, अगर हम Ohm's law resistance R1 के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं तो R1 के लिए क्या है? Second, third. We can write V1 is the potential drop across R1. But V1 क्या होने वाला है? Which is nothing but the total potential across the battery V. Therefore, we can write V is equal to what is the current flowing through this resistance is nothing but I1 multiplied by the resistance of this resistor is R1. यहाँ पे हम इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं V1 is equal to potential difference across resistance R1 is nothing but the total potential difference across the battery, which is equal to current flowing through resistance R1 multiplied by resistance of the resistor R1. From this, we can write I1 is equal to V divided by R1. Similarly, for V2, potential drop across resistance R2 is nothing but the total potential difference across the battery V is equal to current flowing through resistance R2 multiplied by resistance of resistor R2. From this, we can write I2 is equal to V divided by R2. Now, put the values of I is equal to V upon R, I1 is equal to V upon R1 and I2 is equal to V upon R2 in this equation. Therefore, we get what is the I is nothing but the V upon R. V upon R is equal to what is I1? V upon R1. V upon R1 plus what is I2? V upon R2. V upon R2. Now, here again, for this term, first and second, we can consider capital V as a common. Therefore, we can write V upon R is equal to, let's consider V as a common, V in bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Now, this VV get cancelled on both sides. Therefore, we can write 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. This is the required formula for the total resistance when the resistances are connected in parallel combination. Now, from this formula, we can say that the reciprocal of total resistance in parallel combination is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of each individual resistance connected in parallel combination. पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में क्या हो रहा है कि रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ टोटल रेजिस्टेंस, यहाँ पे टोटल रेजिस्टेंस कितना है हमारा R, उसका क्या किया है हमने रेसिप्रोकल लिया है 1 अपॉन R इज इक्वल टू रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रिजल्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ, हमें उसकी बेरीज करनी है, लेकिन कैसे करनी है, सम ऑफ द रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ ईच रेजिस्टेंस. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ R1 का क्या होगा रेसिप्रोकल 1 अपॉन R1, R2 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा 1 upon R2. Sum of the reciprocals of each individual resistance connected in parallel combination. If we have 3 resistances connected in parallel combination, अगर हमारे पास 3 resistances है, then we can write 1 upon R total resistance in parallel combination is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and so on. If we have n number of resistances, अगर हमारे पास 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 resistances, then we can write the total resistance in parallel combination 1 upon R. The reciprocal of total resistance is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of each resistance 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon plus dash 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 plus 1 upon RN. This is the general formula for the total resistance when the resistances are connected in parallel combination. Now, when we consider the series combination and parallel combination of resistances, हम अगर series combination और parallel combination को consider करते हैं तो उससे क्या पता चलता है हमें? अगर हमें इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज करना है, अगर हमारे पास अगर हमारे पास 10 ओम के दो रजिस्टर से, अगर हमारे पास 10 ओम के दो रेजिस्टेंसेस है, देन व्हेन वी कनेक्ट दिस टू रेजिस्टेंसेस इन सीरीज, अगर 10-10 ओम के हमने दो रजिस्टर सीरीज में कनेक्ट किए तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? इज नथिंग बट द सम ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंसेस इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. देन टोटल रेजिस्टेंस कितना होगा हमारा? 20 ओम. बट व्हेन वी कनेक्ट two resistance of 10 ohm each connect in parallel combination, अगर हम उन्हें parallel combination में connect करते हैं तो हमारा total resistance क्या होगा? 5 ohm. When we calculate the total resistance from this formula, we will get the total resistance is nothing but the 5 ohm. Therefore, we can conclude that when we want to increase the effective resistance, then we have to connect the resistances in series combination. अगर हमें टोटल रेजिस्टेंस क्या करना है? इंक्रीज करना है, तो हमें रेजिस्टेंसेस सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करने चाहिए. बट व्हेन वी वांट टू डिक्रीज द इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस, अगर हमें रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज करना है तो हमें रेजिस्टेंसेस पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करने चाहिए. इफ वी वांट टू डिक्रीज द इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस, देन वी हैव टू कनेक्ट द रेजिस्टेंसेस इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके.